resort.
11 swimming pools, like
Yeah.
7 hot tubs.
Oh my goodness. Look at how big this. Yeah, this is it.
1358 feet.
Yeah.
Well, no way about that.
There you go. Wow. We're here in Westgate Resort. And we're on the line to go for the registration. It's for the So guys, this is our hotel room here in Westgate in Orlando, Florida. Now I give you a tour here inside our room. So this is the kitchen because this is a studio type room. So they have a sink. You have a microwave here. And they have a ref. Turn on the light. There you go. They have a coffee maker. Let's go check the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. And they have a jacuzzi here. Look at here. A jacuzzi. Hello. And this is their shower. Look at how big their shower. Two person can fit in there. So let's check what is in here. So this is the toilet. So they have some extra blanket here, sheets, and a pillow. They have an iron board, and they have some. And there's a safety box. You can put some of your things here. Safety box, dining table. And here's our bed. Look at how nice. And here's my husband. Look how soft the bed. Look at the bed, how nice.
Delivering a baby in the midst of a raging storm is a terrifying thought. But look at these bundles of joy, born during last year's epic hurricanes in Texas and Florida.
Here's our view outside our hotel. It's a lake. Oh, it's really nice here. Mall of Florida.